Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are from Anna University and your exams are gearing up for the Software Defined Networks exam on June 6th, then this video is for you. So what exactly is Software Defined Networks? In simple terms, the SDN is nothing but something that separates the control plane from the data plane, making the network more flexible, programmable and easier to manage. Now, let's talk about some of the most important topics that you have to revise before your exam. From Unit 1, you have to go through the topics such as SDN architecture with diagram, then SDN application plane, SDN data plane, SDN control plane with its functions and the impact of SDN on networking. All these three topics you have to go through it with including the diagram. Okay, and from unit 2 we have protocols used in SDN data plane, the protocols such as IP and UDP, and then we have open flow protocol, then we have southbound interface and northbound interface, then SDN controllers, and one of the important question is differentiating the data plane and the control plane. It can also be asked for 2 marks or detailed answers. From unit 3 we have SDN architecture plane architecture. So SDN architecture plane, and then we have traffic engineering, then we have data center networking, then we have network services abstraction layer. Okay, so here traffic engineering, SDN architecture, data center networking, all these are some of the most important questions. Then moving over to unit 4, we have network virtualization, virtual LANs, open flow virtual LAN support, and then NFV architecture. And finally in unit 5 we have NFV infrastructure, then we have the VNF, then we have NFV management and orchestration. Okay, so I'll also give you some of the quick tips for your exam. Time management is an important key, so don't spend too much of time on one question and use diagrams and headings to organize your answers. Also focus on some of the key terms that are used in this subject, and most importantly stay calm and stay focused. You have got this. So whether it's 3 units or 4 units left out, don't worry, start now, push through and give your best shot on your exam. Wishing you all the very best for your SDN exam. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to stay updated on more Anna University preparation videos and tech content. Thank you.